Okay, so once we open up AutoCAD and get rid of the welcome screen, you'll basically see this. Now, this black or dark area is your model space, and it is an infinite area to which you can draw your objects at a 1-to-1 scale. Now, you can even draw the solar system in model space, and AutoCAD can handle it. To give you an idea, I'm going to hit the line tool. I'm going to pick a start point. I'm just going to enter in 10 billion units. And then I'm just going to zoom extents by typing in Z, enter, E, enter. And as you can see, my line is right here. Now if I go LI for list, and you can see right here that it's 10 billion units long. So this is a very, very powerful program. So right now I'm going to talk a little bit about model space and layouts. So what I did is I made 3 different layers, and I'll talk more about layers in a different video. I made layer 1, 2, and 3 and just made them different colors. So now I'm going to take the circle tool, I'm going to make a circle, and I'm going to make another circle, and I'm going to take the polyline tool, and I'm just going to make a rectangular shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going to hit C for close, and then that makes it a closed object. Now I'm going to take the rectangle and put it on layer 1. I'm going to take the first circle and put it on layer 2, and the most inner circle on layer 3. Now I'm going to go down here to our different layouts. So this is what you'll see on your default layout, but typically you'll want to put like a title block in here, and then you can have different layouts or different viewports to see what you want to see in model space. Now this is just your default viewport. I'm just going to kind of shrink it, and then double click to go inside your viewport. Then you can pan or zoom in or out. I'm going to keep it right there, and I'm going to come down here and lock that viewport. Now what that does is I can't pan or zoom inside the viewport anymore. It just pans or zooms my layout space. I'm going to double click to go outside of that viewport, and then I'm going to type MV to create another viewport. And then I'm going to double click inside of this one, and then I'm going to lock it as well. Now, just to give you an idea of how powerful viewports and layers are, I'm going to go up here to the freeze layer option, and I'm going to freeze layer 1, and I'm going to freeze layer 3. Now as you can see, they're still in this viewport. And if we go back into model space, all of my objects are still there, and it just freezes them in that viewport. So if you double click inside that viewport and go to your layers, you can see the freeze option for layer 1 and layer 3 on your viewport icon. And that just means that it's frozen in that viewport. So that was just a quick and dirty description of layouts and model space. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.